You probably don't need me to tell you how important reports and dashboards can be. I mean, pretty much everybody needs to get some insights into their performance at some point or another. And how else are you going to know what's been working in your favor and what hasn't been? So Insights gives you a place to create comprehensive reports and keep track of your goals that are customized specifically to your business. You'll be able to combine this data into these customizable dashboards to get a full picture of your business. And you can even share these dashboards with anyone in the world. To access Insights, just head on over to here, and here we are. On the left-hand side here, you can see that there's a list for dashboards, goals, and reports. Goals are a great way of keeping track of your sales objectives, while also ensuring that you and your team consistently meet the targets that keep your business running. To learn more about setting up goals, just click on the link in this video. Heading over to the Reports section, we've already created some report templates that you can go off of, and you can just dive right in and start customizing them. Or you can just build a new report from scratch. In the following step, you're asked to choose what report style. Currently, you can create different types of reports for your activities, deals, and revenue-based reporting. Once you've selected the desired report style, you can start to fill in the criteria for it. The way this works is, it follows a similar logic to when you're creating custom filters in other areas of Pipedrive, like the list views, for example. Now, just to demonstrate, let's say we wanted to create a bar chart kind of report displaying the number of deals each rep has closed with a certain time period, like this quarter. First, let's make sure we define the deal status because we want to be looking at deals that are currently already won. And then let's add another condition. In this step, we want to define when the deal was won. And to do that, let's set the next condition to one time is this quarter. You notice how when we're defining these conditions, the report just automatically updates. Now in this section, this is where we customize how the filter data is actually presented. We've got 5 different options: a column chart, a bar chart, a pie chart, and a scorecard that you can use to present data in more of a spreadsheet or table-like fashion. Let's just go with the bar chart for now. And then you'll notice that there are additional segmentation options that you can apply to further fine-tune how the data is presented. In this example, let's say we're just going to segment this data based on the owner and the quantity of the deals rather than the value of the deals. Now let's add a third line of data to segment this information by. Let's say we want to go with the lead source, which is a custom field that we actually created. This custom field type of reporting is only available for the professional and enterprise plans, just so you know. So look at that. We're looking at a report of deals that were won, and they were won in this quarter, and we're viewing them by the lead source and how many deals were won per lead source on a per user basis. You'll notice that we can set this whole thing up in different ways depending on the type of report we have. It just kind of depends. One pretty cool thing to show you though is that let's say you want to create a very similar report to the one you've already made, and you just want to make maybe a small change to it or something like that. All you have to do is go into that report, make the change that you need, and then save this as a whole new type of report. This saves you from having to build the report from scratch. From here, you can add the report to your dashboard by saving it, but you can technically just save this to your dashboard with a simple drag and drop at any time later on. So don't sweat it too much. But note that if you're on the professional or enterprise plans, you can actually create multiple dashboards and share them all simultaneously. So you can have dashboards that are pertinent to different department types, for example. Now in here, you can resize this report or change its position, or get back into editing mode by clicking on it. Once you've built the dashboard and are feeling confident in sharing it with your peers, you can click on the Share Dashboard button here. Now these shared dashboards are updated in real time, and you can revoke access whenever you'd like. What's really neat about this though is that you can create multiple different links for the same dashboard and give them their own customizable names. So you can kind of keep track of who's monitoring this. This gives you an additional level of control should you need to revoke access from someone later on, while allowing different people to still keep their access. Really powerful stuff. It's definitely worth noting that when you first create the desired reports, you can give them the customized names and drag and drop these reports to the desired dashboards, just like this. You can use the same report on different dashboards, just so you know. Also, when looking at this specific dashboard, you have the ability to apply quick global filters to it. Let's say you have a dashboard that contains different reports with all users highlighted, but you want the same dashboard and you just want to focus on a single user or a single team. You can do it right over here. This is also where you can turn back the clock a bit and look at data that's in a specific time period. Pretty easy to remove reports from your dashboard as well. This doesn't delete the report or anything. You can always add it again later. But deleting a specific report will remove it from all the dashboards it was added to. So there you have it, folks. Why not go ahead and start making some dashboards to show off? Until next time.